sleep, fuck and protect our necks from the stress of a world in a mess. From the war in Iraq to the crack in the streets, to the AIDS epidemic and corrupted police. To the homeless, the hopeless, the sick and the poor, the rich keep getting richer while the poor despite the wars. Now somebody must see this too. Somebody must feel the way I do. Just like a race car driver, I'm going off the tracks, or a cool breeze blowing at your back. I'm a two-way ticket on a one-way route. I'm the rain and thunder that knocks the power out. I'm a loaded gun, I'm a hole-in-one. I'm a bursting star, I'm a burning sun. I'm a saint to some, but a devil to the rest. So just show me the stage and just cut me my check. Cut me my check. The thunder in the distance and the trumpets of the gods, the fires of revolution, got the rebels singing songs, screaming, bring our soldiers home, it's not where they belong. We don't want to work your shitty jobs or fight elitist wars or eat the happy pills just sell and make us dumb and bored. We've had it up to here and we're not taking any more. The time will come soon when they'll settle the score. Now somebody must see this too. Somebody must feel the way I do. Just like a race car driver, I'm going off the tracks, or a cool breeze blowing at your back. I'm a two-way ticket on a one-way route. I'm the rain and thunder that knocks the power out. I'm a loaded gun, I'm a hole-in-one. I'm a bursting star, I'm a burning sun. I'm a saint to some, but a devil to the rest. So just show me the stage and just cut me my check. Cut me my check. Guns and bombs, terrorists, corrupted governments killing the innocent. Fuck the poor, feed the rich. Oh, you old men are rock stars of pussies and Hollywood's lame. Top 40's bullshit and TV's the same. Oh, you old men, are you all, are you all, are you all just follow when? Are they all, are they all, are they all just follow when? Are we all, are we all, are we all just follow when? We're all just Sunday drivers in a race to save our souls, barreling down the freeway on the wrong side of the road.